we are going to do subtractions without borrowing, where you don't have to borrow any number from the partner number, right? For example, if suppose I have written 2, 8, 28 and I have to subtract 1, 4, 14 from 28. I have to subtract 1, 4, 14 from 2, 8, 28. Correct? Is my board visible, everyone?
Ma'am, this answer is 20. Yes,
Is
ma'am.
my
Ma'am,
board
its
visible?
answer is 11.
Chalo, let's understand this. So first of all, when we start subtracting, we always start from the ones place. We always start from the ones place. So first of all, look at the number given in this ones place. We have 8 and then we have 4. That means we need to subtract 4 from 8 first. Let's start back counting. You all know that when you have to subtract any number, just put the same number on your finger and then start back counting. 4 कैसे करेंगे 4? Let's do it. 8 के पहले there we have 7, 6, 5 and then we have got 4. So answer is 4 here. Now we have to come to the tens place. अब हमें कहाँ पर आना है? Tens place में आना है. You all can see the numbers here. We have 2 and we have 1. 1 is the answer. So what is the difference are you getting here? 1, 4, 14, right? And you all know that the answer of subtraction is called, what do we call it?
14. Friends. Difference.
Difference. Correct. Very good. We call it difference. So this was about without borrowing. Let's do a sum with borrowing. With borrowing matlab, let's take the example here. Now I have taken 6, 6. Altogether it is making 66, right? And we have to subtract 4, 7, 47. We have to subtract 47 from the number 66, correct? So as I have already told you that we always start from the numbers which are given. Right? We will start from the numbers which are given in this place, ones place. Okay? So let's look at the number here. Here we have 6 and niche mein we have 7. Is it possible to subtract 7 from 6?
Yes, ma'am.
Without borrowing, Abir, directly, can you subtract these two numbers directly without borrowing? Because whenever we subtract, the upper number should be bigger. This you already know that upper number should be bigger. And here we have a smaller number. Here this side we have a smaller number. That means we will not be able to subtract 7 from 6.
Yes, ma'am.
In this case, what are we going to do? For example, if you're sitting in the class, for example, you all are sitting in the class, right? Abhi teacher says ki please take out 5 pencils, color pencils. Okay? If teacher says ki please take out 5 color pencils. Okay? The colors, crayons which you use in the class, and you feel that I don't have 5 crayons, what should I do now? Then what do you do in that case? You always take the help of your partner, right? Isn't it? How many of you take the help of your partner if you don't have sufficient things, enough things? Everybody, like Vrinda also, है ना? You all are raising your hands. That means you all take the help from your partner, right? अगर आपके पास कुछ नहीं होता है, in that case you always take the help of your partner. So the same rule is applicable with these numbers. अभी this time the number which is in ones place, इसके पास sufficient number नहीं है ना? It is not able to subtract 7. है ना? वो 7 उससे नहीं subtract हो पाएगा. So in this case, what are we going to take? We are going to borrow a number from its partner. And who is the partner of this 6?
6.
So the partner of 6 is 6. क्या करेंगे? We are.
Excuse me, ma'am. Can I give answer? 6.
Nobody will open the mic this way. Dyuti, especially you, beta. Right? So abhi hum kya karenge? We are going to take a number from this 6. So this 6 will become 5 and a number will go to this place. Now it becomes 16. The number
is 11.
will become 16. Up 16 means we need to add 7.
16 minus 7 equals to 1.
I need
5 minus 4 equals to 1.
back counting, Shubhanjali, not this way. Back
Equals to
counting. Please,
11.
if you want to give the answer, please start the back counting. I'm not going to take any
answer.
back counting. Do the back counting. Start the back counting. You need to subtract 7. You need to subtract 7. Let's start the back counting. 15, 14,
18, 6, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. Ma'am, answer is 9.
So what are you getting?
9.
9. Right? I have written 9 here. So we are done with this set of number. Now we will go to this set of number. 5 may say you need to subtract 4. Take away 4 from 5. One answer. Again, you are getting 19 as the answer, which is known as, what do you call this number?
19.
Difference. So the difference between these two numbers is 19. Is that clear?
Okay.